Okay, on this video, I'm going to show you guys an example of what will happen to your car when the alternator is not working properly. So pretty much, I went into the cluster on my voltage testing, my voltage meter thing, where this is supposed to, I went on number 19 to turn it off, and then went back to number 9 to activate the voltage, where I could read my voltage on here. Very easy. So the reason why I'm making this video, so you guys can see the dashboard, exactly what it looks like on the problem that I'm having. The problem that I'm having right here is the alternator. Usually when this battery light is red, it means if it's orange, it's a problem, but not a big problem. See how my dashboard is flickering? It's because my battery is gonna die out, and this car is gonna die out right now. As you can hear it, I'm gonna leave it on, so I'm gonna let it die out. So I'm gonna show you guys an example that when this light right here is on, when it's red, is an indication that the alternator is bad. So it tells you that in the handbook. So I went to get my battery tested at AutoZone. Oh, not my battery. Oh yeah, my battery tested at AutoZone. It says working perfectly. I looked at it. It looks like it has a lot of juice. My lights are not dim right here when I turn on the car, so the battery's good. But the thing is that the alternator is not charging the battery or charging the car properly. As you can see right now, the ABS lights are on, the ABS, and then when I'm driving, the battery gets so low where it does not shoot enough voltage to the car, where the car transmission does not work properly, and the transmission icon will kick in, and my car is pretty much telling me that I have to pull over. So like right now, the dashboard just died out on me. And then yeah, so if you have the red light on, pretty much is an indication of your alternator being bad. Even though if you test it at AutoZone and it says it's good, to be honest with you, I wouldn't really trust those tests as much. So if you ever have this problem with your dashboard turn the ABS lights on and your dashboard's off, pretty much is your alternator giving bad voltage reading throughout your whole vehicle, and it's causing glitches. So right now I'm going to turn off the car and turn it back on. The car's not going to turn on, and we'll see what happens. If it does, it does, but I'm pretty sure it's not going to turn on. See, now my engine light is blinking. So these are the weird glitches that everything's starting to fade that the alternator will cause. So I'm going to turn off the car and try to turn it back on. So just say I was driving and all this started happening, and I pull over and I try turning it on, and I'm pretty sure the car's not going to turn on. Yeah, the car's not turning on. So yeah, the battery's dead, or not. The funny part is that the battery's not dead, because I still have power right here. It's that the alternator is just not working no more. So pretty much without the alternator, a lot of things won't function in the car. And if I let my car sit for like 10 minutes, it will correct itself a little or something. I don't know what the hell it does, but the alternator does something where I'm able to start the car and drive for like a mile or two and do the same thing over and over. So that's the one thing about the BMW, that the computer knows when something's wrong, and it'll try to kill your car before you kill your battery, so you can still use your battery without damaging it. So that's a little example. So I'm gonna try turning it on again. See, so that's an indication of a dead battery when you hear this clicking. But yeah, it's not the battery. I did this happened to me yesterday. I did the same thing. I just sat down. I just sat waiting for the car for 10 minutes and turned it on. It turned on its own. And then yeah, so like I said again, alternator problem. But before you assume it's alternator problem, just have your battery tested and have your alternator tested, or you test your alternator yourself by removing the negative wire on the battery while your car is running. And then if your car shuts off, it's the alternator. And if the car keeps on running, it's not the alternator. The alternator is good. And yeah, so you guys let me know what you guys think, and if you guys are experienced the same problem, just let me know. Or if I helped you solve your problem, just let me know as well. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.